Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of Ambrane ANB-11 NEKO wireless earphones. Okay, here you can see some features: noise isolation, high bass sound, memory card support is also available, and Bluetooth connectivity. And if we see here, it comes with 150 mAh battery capacity. It has a crystal clear sound, and if we talk about the playback time, it is up to 5 hours. Okay, and if we see here the same, so you can see naked and groove. Okay, so quickly open it. Okay, so here's the earphone itself. Okay, this is some reading manuals. Keep this aside, and you can see. Okay, so this is the micro USB to USB cable, and here's the earphone itself. Okay, so you can see the earphone itself, the logo of Ambrane, and here's the volume up and down key, power on off and pair button, and this is the charging port. Over there charging port is available, and this is the micro SD card slot over there. Okay, and I would like to say it is really very, you can see. Okay, you can just, I would like to say you can stretch it. Okay, here you can see it is bendable. I would like to say it is really very bendable. You can see. Okay, you can bend it anywhere, you can see. And if we talk about its ear tips, you can see in ear tips. Okay, and I would like to say this is magnetic ear tip. You can see, I just show you. Here you can see this is the magnet ear tip. Over there you can see. Guys, it is really very bendable. You can see, you can bend it anywhere in any style. You can see. Okay guys, I would like to say this is really good. So guys, this is the unboxing of Ambrane ANB-11 NEKO wireless earphones. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.